In this tip of the day, let's take a look at creating a soft jaw. Now, when creating soft jaw geometry, I always like using different colors than the base geometry. That's going to help us select geometry much easier later on. So what I'm going to do is come down to the color palette, and I'm just going to give this a different color, maybe green. All right, so I'm just going to sketch out a simple soft jaw using the rectangle tool. I'm going to click the origin, and I'm going to drag this over. How about 6 inches and minus 875 thousandths. When I'm dragging the cursor, I'm looking over to the left so I can get the right dimensions. Okay, so there is our soft jaw. Now we can select the original geometry by using the Select by Color option. I'll select all the blue. Let's move that. I'm just going to grab it anywhere on the geometry, and I'm just going to move it down a little bit to where I think that might be a good position for us to create a soft jaw. So the green area is the soft jaw, and the blue area is going to represent the cutout. Now, typically, you're going to want the cutout for the soft jaw to be a little bit bigger than the actual part. So to do that, again, let's use a different color. This is going to help us later on. I'll use an orange color here. I would suggest using the Advanced Offset tool that's located within your Shapes tool set. Let's use Advanced Offset. I'm just going to use 2000s, but you can use whatever value you want. Side of arrow, we'll click OK. And this is the geometry that I want to make an offset from. So I'm going to left click, and let's end it right here, and then right hand mouse click. Continue offsetting, no. And if I zoom in a little bit, you can see there is our brand new orange geometry that's a little bit bigger. All right, and because we used different colors, it's easy now to select the blue geometry and hit the letter B on the keyboard to hide that. And all we need to do now is just do some trimming. I like using scissor trim for this. I hit the letter X, left click, left click. We're just selecting the geometry that we don't need. And there we go. There is the profile for your soft jaw. Now you can use any of your standard tool paths to machine this. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.